Oats, simple, healthy, versatile, real food, real energy, breakfast, snacks, or baking. Oats do it all, no fuss, just goodness. Let's pop on our history hats for a tick. Oats weren't always the star of the show in ancient Greece and Rome. They were seen as animal feed. But in the tough climates of Scotland and Scandinavia, oats thrived where other crops failed. For these communities, oats meant survival fuel for hard-working farmers and warriors. They made oat cakes, hearty porridge, and built their diets around this resilient grain. As nutrition science advanced, the world caught on. Oats are incredibly good for you. The Industrial Revolution made oats easier to process and more popular than ever. From a pesky weed to a global health superstar, what a journey. Oats have gone from ancient fields to breakfast tables everywhere. Sometimes the simplest things in life really are the best. Let's get a bit geeky. We're about to dive deep into the world of oats. What makes oats so special? What is it about this humble grain that has made it a breakfast staple for generations? First up, fiber and lots of it, especially beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that's particularly beneficial. This soluble fiber acts like a sponge. It's ready to get to work, soaking up the bad stuff like excess cholesterol in your body. It's like a cleanup crew working from the inside out. Oats are also a fantastic source, a surprisingly good source, of plant-based protein, making them a great choice for vegetarians and vegans alike, helping you feel fuller for longer, keeping those mid-morning cravings at bay, and fueling your day, providing sustained energy release to power you through your morning. They're packed with minerals, essential for a whole host of bodily functions, like manganese, which is important for bone health and metabolism, phosphorus, vital for energy production and strong bones, magnesium, crucial for muscle and nerve function, and zinc, which supports your immune system. Plus, B vitamins, especially B1, also known as thiamine, help turn your food into energy, ensuring your body can efficiently utilize the nutrients you consume. So, a bowl of oats, it's more than just a comforting breakfast. It's like a natural multivitamin packed with goodness. You're not just filling up. You're not just satisfying your hunger. You're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. A complex package of nutrients, working synergistically to support your overall health. Amazing fiber for digestive health. Quality protein for muscle repair and growth. Essential vitamins for energy and vitality. And minerals for countless bodily processes. All in a simple, delicious package. It's hard to believe something so good for you can taste so great. No weird additives, no artificial flavors or colors. Just pure nutrition from a whole grain source. Oats are food as it should be, in its most natural and unadulterated form. Simple, powerful, and good for you. It's a winning combination. Every spoonful is a boost for your body, a small act of self-care that can have a big impact. Next time you eat oats, remember, you're making a conscious choice to nourish yourself. You're fueling yourself with the best nature has to offer. It's a connection to the earth and a celebration of simple goodness. It's honest, wholesome food. Food that you can trust. Job done. A delicious and nutritious start to the day. Let's talk about your heart. Oats are one of its biggest fans. Beta-glucan fiber helps lower bad cholesterol by carrying it out of your body. Eating oats regularly can make a real difference to your cardiovascular health. Oats are also packed with antioxidants, like avenanthramides, which help fight inflammation and improve blood flow. This means lower blood pressure and healthier arteries. The fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins in oats work together to protect your heart. It's not about pills, it's about real food that nourishes you from the inside out. Making oats a regular part of your diet is a simple, delicious step toward a healthier heart. Your future self will thank you. A small change, massive impact. Oats heart health made easy. Lovely jubbly. Let's talk about your gut. Oats are a champion here too. That beta-glucan fiber forms a gel in your stomach, slowing digestion and keeping you full longer. This helps manage weight and keeps your blood sugar stable, no more energy crashes. Oats add bulk to your stool, keeping things moving and preventing constipation. A healthy digestive system means your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. Oats also act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and even your mood. By eating oats, you're feeding yourself and your friendly gut bugs. A happy gut is the foundation of good health. Oats make it easy, simple, powerful, and delicious. Happy tummy, happy you. When you think oats, what comes to mind? You probably picture a comforting bowl of porridge steaming gently on a cold morning. But that's just the start. That's merely scratching the surface of what this incredible grain can do. Oats are incredibly versatile, a blank canvas in the culinary world. They're ready to be transformed into all sorts of delicious things, from sweet treats to savory sensations. Overnight oats are a game changer, especially for those busy mornings when time is of the essence. Simply mix oats with your choice of milk or yogurt, add your favorite flavors, and leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a ready-made breakfast waiting for you. Cool, creamy, and satisfying. Top with fruit like juicy berries or sliced bananas, nuts, or a dollop of nut butter for an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. It's pure goodness in a jar. Add oats to smoothies for thickness and nutrition, creating a more substantial and filling drink. Or use them as a binder in meatballs and veggie burgers, helping to hold everything together while adding a subtle, wholesome flavor. Oats are brilliant in baking, adding a delightful texture and subtle sweetness to your favorite treats. Think flapjacks, chewy cookies, or golden brown crumble toppings. Make your own oat flour by blitzing rolled oats in a blender until you achieve a fine, powdery consistency. Swap it into pancakes, muffins, or bread recipes for a healthier and more flavorful twist. This adds extra fiber and a subtle, nutty flavor that elevates your baked goods. Oats can sneak into so many meals, adding a boost of nutrition and a satisfying texture without overpowering the other flavors. That humble bag of oats, it holds endless possibilities waiting to be unlocked. Get creative and see where oats can take you in the kitchen. Experiment with different recipes and discover your own oat-inspired masterpieces. It's not just breakfast. It's a versatile kitchen staple that deserves a place in every pantry. Oats, the ultimate kitchen chameleon, adapting to any dish and adding a touch of wholesome goodness. Let's get creative. Oats aren't just for sweet dishes. Try savory porridge. Cook oats with stock, then top with a poached egg, spinach, and mushrooms. It's a powerhouse meal any time of day. Make your own granola. Mix oats, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of maple syrup, then bake until golden. For snacks, whip up energy balls. Oats, dates, peanut butter, and cocoa powder rolled into bite-sized treats. They're perfect for a quick, healthy boost. Experiment with different types of oats. Steel cut for a chewy texture, or oat groats, cooked like rice for salads and grain bowls. Oats can be the base for so many creative meals. Play around and discover new favorites. The possibilities are endless once you start experimenting. Oats are more than breakfast. They're a canvas for your kitchen creativity. Get inspired and have fun with it. Oats, your new secret ingredient. The best thing about oats? They're for everyone. Whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, a student, or enjoying your golden years, oats fit right in. They're affordable, nutrient-dense, and make dozens of healthy meals. For fitness fans, oats provide sustained energy and protein for muscle repair. For kids, they're soft, gentle, and easy to flavor with fruit or berries. Oats help build healthy habits from a young age. And if you're gluten-sensitive, just look for certified gluten-free oats. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but check the label for peace of mind. Simple, powerful nutrition for every table. Oats are truly inclusive, bringing health to everyone, every day. That's the magic of oats. There you have it, the humble oat in all its glory. From ancient fields to modern kitchens, oats have proven their worth. Behind their simple appearance is a powerhouse of nutrition, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. One small change, starting your day with oats, can support your heart, digestion, energy, and overall wellness. Oats are a blank canvas for creativity, savory porridge, overnight oats, cookies, or smoothies. Get the whole family involved and make it a delicious adventure. My challenge to you, embrace the oat. Make it a joyful part of your life. Your body will thank you. Food should be simple, joyful, and make you feel good. And that's exactly what oats do. Get in there.